This is chutney.
Chutney is very good. Very nice.
It is good. It is original.
Really good chutney.
Very good chutney, it's true. This is my sister's creation.
It's very good. She puts curry inside, right?
Yeah.
Good chutney.
The ratio is 2 kilos of fruit for 1 kilo of onions and 1 kilo of sugar. I want to thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, for your likes and comments and shares, because sharing is caring, and I'm sharing with you the wonderful recipe inscription. Now we add the sugar and allow to macerate to cleanse the skin until it creates a syrup.
This is the macerated skin of the quince. Now we're going to put it on. This is white vinegar.
Yes, now we chop the lemon zest, the lemon pulp, and the onions. Mix all together and let it reduce.
E agora, o que queres? É pequenino? É pequenino?
Sim, mas tenho que fazer depois como eu faço. Vá lá, mete lá isso.
Como é que é?
Tira as cascas brancas para fora.
Espera. Esta coisa para aqui. E depois?
Corta.
Cortas? Pequenino?
Sim. Tem um caroço lá dentro.
Não é... Ai, que pareceu-me que era cebola, mano.
Tem.
Tá?
Every woman in my house is impatient. They
Yes,
want me
yes.
to
Yes.
just get on with the recipe. Don't take time with questions. Just do it. I promise that the Portuguese kitchen, it's a wonderful thing to witness.
The smell is acidic. Now it has the perfume of the lemon zest. Mm-hmm.
And as usual, I'm already crying with so many onions.
Reduziste?
Mas não gosto. Mas tem que ver o que é que tem aí de pimentas para pôr.
Doesn't like it too spicy, but I do, so we create 2 recipes. Now it's with a lot of corn peppers, black corn peppers, and chili flakes. And it's all for me. Now we have an open brow that tells us that the chutney is ready.
Pimenta preta.
And it's now ready to travel the world and to share with friends. Let's do it. Let's bring it all over. It's now time to serve with love and bon appetit.